Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by preparing both devices. Charge the bullets above 20% and open Bluetooth on your OnePlus. Press and hold the bullet's power button until the LED flashes. This forces pairing mode so the headset advertises itself. On the phone, make sure Bluetooth is on. This lets the radio scan. Once done, stay on the Bluetooth screen so you can select the device when it appears. Doing this first prevents delays and repeated pairing attempts. Now find the Bullets entry in your phone's available devices list. Look for OnePlus Bullet's Wireless Z2. Tap it to start the connection. This sends a pairing request to the headset. You may see a PIN or a permission prompt. Accept it so the phone and Bullets exchange keys and save the profile. Once the phone shows connected, audio and call profiles activate. Make sure to keep the devices within 1 to 2 meters. During this exchange, finish by playing media and making a quick call to confirm audio routing and mic function. Adjust volume on both devices. If connection fails, reset the Bullets by holding the power button for 10 seconds to clear previous pairings, then repeat pairing. If problems persist, forget the Bullets in Bluetooth settings and reboot the phone. This clears cached profiles that often block reconnection. That single reset or forget step solves most issues, so try it before deeper troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.